In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up sinking funds in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money lets you create sinking funds using rollover budget categories, helping you save gradually for future expenses like car repairs or holidays. To set this up on desktop, go to Settings, then Categories, and create a new category or group, such as sinking funds. Add subcategories like car maintenance, then enable rollover so unused money carries over each month. Next, go to the Budget tab and assign a fixed monthly amount to each sinking fund category. For example, you can set aside a small amount each month toward a larger yearly expense. As you do this, the remaining balance will accumulate over time, and you can track progress directly in the Budget tab using the remaining column and progress bars. This setup helps you stay prepared for irregular expenses without disrupting your monthly budget. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.